Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today here I'm going to show you how to create an account on Opensea. So first of all, you need to head over to opensea.io. Alright, then you need to have MetaMask wallet. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet, you can watch a video I've made about how to install MetaMask and get back to this video to create your Opensea account. Head over to here and my account settings, click sign in. Choose the account that you want to sign in with from your MetaMask. Click next and connect. Click sign. And here you are. Alright. Choose a username. If you want to type in a bio, and put in an email to verify your account and click save. Then head back to your email to verify your email address. So now you clicked the link from your email and it takes you to here, and now you are verified. So head back to Opensea and now you have your own account. Go to profile and this is your profile, and now you can buy and sell NFTs. On the next video I'm going to show you how to buy and sell as well as flipping NFTs for profit, and they will show some methods. Alright, so this is the video. I hope you like it. Please drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you for watching.